ang ganda. Ah, wala pa. Wala pa pala. Go ahead. Oh, ayan, nahulog tuloy.
Happy birthday, ate. Happy 18th birthday po. I wish you all the best.
Ayan. A picture. Okay na pa? A picture daw muna. The next one, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm leaving. Okay.
Louder, please.
Happy birthday, my best friend for 15 years. Wish you all the best kahit hindi na tayo nagkakasama minsan. I'm still here rooting for you, supporting you always. Thank you so much for everything, lady. For that 15 years na pinagsamahan natin, ganun. Lahat ng promises natin, I will still keep it in me, ha? Give me a promise, lady, ha? After 10 years from now, sana BFF pa rin tayo. Please? Okay. Thank you.
There you go.
First of all, happy birthday, lady. Ang wish ko for you ay sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo and may you always have the strength to overcome any obstacles. May your special day be just the beginning of a year filled with happy moments, wonderful surprises, and endless blessings. And again, happiest birthday, our dearest Chacha.
Thank you so much, Althea. Picture taking. Next one, we have Daniela Garcia.
Hi, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and enjoy your day.
Thank you so much. We also have Micaela Ann Pagia. Micaela.
Hi, lady. So, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life and miss ko na yung pag-practice natin ng Javelin. Sana sa susunod, makapag-bonding pa tayo and maging close pa lalo. Yun lang. Enjoy your day.
Thank you so much, Micaela. Picture taking. Picture first. We also have Ms. Rain de la Paz. Or Rian de la Paz.
Happy birthday, lady. Thank you for inviting me and thank you dahil hanggang ngayon, tinatreasure mo pa rin yung friendship na meron tayo. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo para sa sarili mo and para sa family mo. I love you.
Thank you so much. We also have Miss Margaret. Picture taking. We also have Miss Margaret Maladaga. Miss Margaret.
So, happy birthday. Kinakabahan ako. So, first off, happy birthday. And I know na it's only been like 2 years since naging magkaibigan tayo. Pero it's been a fun and memorable moments. Especially ng mga moments na gumagawa tayo ng project sa bahay niya. Tapos nagtatakotan lang tayo. Pero yan nga, my only advice is do everything that you can kasi one day baka mag-regret ka and mas painful na mag-regret ka sa magsisi na ginawa mo yung isang bagay.
Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Salamat, Margaret. Picture taking with our debutant. Picture taking, Margaret. Thank you so much.
So first, happy 18th birthday, lady. I hope na this new beginning will help you boost your confidence more and help you na ma-achieve yung mga gusto mo na ma-achieve. I also wish you and your family safety and good health always. Gusto ko din na sabihin sa'yo na I am proud and I appreciate who you are today. Hoping na yung friendship natin mag-last longer and stronger. Take care always. Keep on shining.
Maraming salamat po. Let's have a picture. Okay. Okay, next we have Miss Grace Lamadrid.
Happy 18th birthday, Chai. Thank you for inviting me to be part of your 18 candles. I hope na makamit mo lahat ng wishes mo and stay healthy, happy, and youthful. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Grace. Picture taking. Next